Another video of Drone Fishing Adventures NZ. We're back out here again. It's been a while since I've made a video, but we've struck some good weather, so we decided to come out. Hooked up. Not too sure what it is yet. We've had what we think is snapper bites, but we'll find out very shortly. Shout out to Dirty Dog as well for the sunglasses. I've been lucky enough to acquire it up here. What I will say is actually fantastic glasses. Blocking out too much light with some other sunglasses do, and that perfect range for fishing, so pretty stylish too. But yeah, here we go, we're hooked up, hopefully we've got some fresh fish tonight. Min's on, gotta go find out what it is. Not sure what it is, but there's definitely some weight there. We got some snapper coming in. One looks like it's a bit tangled around the line at the back there. What's that at the back? A shark. Oh no. A couple of snapper. Nice. Yep. Something on, not sure. A little bit of weight there. I think it might be a small fish, there's not a lot of weight there. Big dog on. Stripping line. Stripping line from the rod holder. How's it feeling? How's it feeling? Does it feel like a Taranaki goldfish or one of those?
Like that's a low-cow monster right here, folks.
Low-cow monster, you reckon? It's a bold claim. Nice. Has it got, is there head shakes there? Nice. Up to again, another nice fish. Just seem to be out a little bit further than what I can get on my other rod at the moment. Got about 600 metres or so.
The good thing about this time of year, there's no spiky dog sharks. Just sharks.
Well, we're on something pretty big. Gotta go out and sit now. Got my dirty dogs so I can see nice and clear in the water. But no, where's Dad? There he is. Big head shakes, he reckons. So we're going in. That's a nice snapper. He's hooked on the hook on the mouth. Beautiful.